Hey guys, and I'm back. So yeah, like I was saying, my daughter got a pink microwave. It's a nostalgia. So yeah, it's powerful 800 watt oven with 0.9 cubic foot capacity. 12 pre-programmed cooking settings and delay timing. Glass carousel for even cooking. Cooking settings controlled by turn and push program dial. LED display and digital clock. She got a big microwave too, guys. Yeah, so I'm about to do an unboxing of mine. So yeah, like hold this down. I'm about to hold the camera down so we can like come back over. Keep it over. Hold on, guys. You got the scissors? So yeah, leave a comment down below and tell me if y'all ever had a color microwave, a pink, a blue, a purple, red, other colors other than, you know, like black and gray, because we already know them like more so like the basic colors. But you know, I just want to know if y'all had a colorful one before, because I just I'm getting rid of my gray and black Sharp microwave. Well, I'm not getting rid of it, but I'm gonna just put it away for a while, and if I gotta ever go back to it, I can go back to it. But right now we gonna rock out with the Bebop Blue Gallants microwave. I know my daughter, she can't wait to she get in her new apartment, and she about to put up her microwave, her nostalgia pink microwave. So we unboxing right now, guys. Voila. So that's all we doing, guys. We just unboxing the microwave. And let me know what y'all think about my Bebop Blue Gallants microwave down below. Open it all the way. Francis. Dad, come here. Open it so I could just show it to you. This how it looks, guys. Alright, guys, comment down below. Please like, share, and subscribe to my video. Give this video a big thumbs up. And I'll see y'all on the next one. Bye, guys.